Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, for those of you who are not familiar with us and all our adventures, you probably don't know that several years ago we purchased a ruin that used to be the old schoolhouse here in our beautiful borgo of Santa Domenica Talao. Well, the idea was to purchase this building, bring it back to its former glory, and turn it into a gorgeous B&B. And I'm happy to say we have done exactly that. Come take a little sneak peek at Casa Cristina. This is not the big reveal, but it's a sneak peek and you can see some of the things we've done. Check it out. Hi guys, we're at the top of the stairs on the first level here, and I wanted to show you, first of all, just how beautiful this place is. We have this beautiful tile. We've got everything all cozy and nice, marble staircase. This is the green room, and this one is ready for our guests who have arrived, and they're having lunch, and we're going to install them very, very soon. Look how beautiful it is in here with the rock wall and the little comodini, which are the side tables. And we found some really pretty furniture that really complements the space here. Now we're gonna come through. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Very pretty. It's got a really beautiful shower door that we just installed. And Maria's so cute. She put ribbons around all the towels and things like that. And we're pretty much ready to go. I mean, it's all pretty much set up. Hello guys. So here you are, and I'm going to show you the view. I know I've showed it to you a million times, but 1,000,001 is good, right? Brand new windows. Ooh, a nice breeze coming in. And I love this balcony. This is my favorite room because the balcony is so long. And look, you can see the sea today. It's just so beautiful. It's very blue. The sky is very blue. And right now, the flowers are out, and you got the puffy clouds, a little bit of a breeze, very warm and lovely. It's the perfect time to be here. So anyway, that's the green room. And we have, of course, Wi-Fi instructions and a brand new TV and everything else. Okay, now we're going across to the blue room. It hasn't been all set up for guests. Normally it would have all the towels with the ribbons and everything on it, which is very, very pretty. But it's a huge room, you can see. We just had the armarios delivered there. Lovely. Big bed, super comfy. And here, you'll see that these are the marble steps that they put in. You have to have steps to the balcony because the arch outside is high, and the balcony had to be put in over the arch. So you have these beautiful stone steps that you go up on, and you can see out the window here, right around the corner where you see that P parking sign, that is Nuncia's store. So you can go get everything you need. We do have coffee and snacks and everything for everybody, waters and whatnot. Breakfasts are provided by the bar. So you go to the bar, you have your cornetto and coffee and whatever else you need. He has other things too. And we are all set. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys. We'll have the booking site up very, very shortly. In the meantime, you can email us at info@supersavvytravelers.com and we'll reserve your space. You can hear the artichoke truck coming up from the lower village. Got onions, probably potatoes, artichokes, all kinds of things. But I just noticed, look, we can see the tip of the church bell tower from here in Casa Cristina. And there's the piazza right down over that way. But gosh, what a gorgeous day today, you guys. There's just such a feeling of peace and tranquility up here. It's absolutely stunning and gorgeous, and the feel is absolutely wonderful. So we're looking forward to having you guys here at Casa Cristina. See you soon.